Hello viewers, Namaskara and welcome to Rupee Rakshak News. Good to see you again. This is the second episode that we bring to you from Rupee Rakshak Newsroom on 25th August 2023. This is a news for investors from a registered financial advisor. So this is authentic, unbiased and news that you can use. Now let us look at the Indian equity markets this week.
This week, most of the global market indices started with positive note with result season and expectation from Fed Chairman Jerome Powell and RBI minutes meeting. Nasdaq rallied 4.40%, Nikkei 3%, Nifty 50 plus 1.18%, DAX 0.93% and Dow 0.19%. With US stocks moving higher side and market waiting for the key update and outlook from Fed Chairman Jerome Powell in Jackson Hole event. Let's look at the equity large cap segment this week. Nifty 50 this week. A last week forecast came true as the Nifty maintained its support level at 19,300. Notably, Nifty has demonstrated a notable recovery, bouncing back from the 19,296 mark and gaining 76 points, rising to 0.40%. Nifty 50 coming week. Nifty struggled to stay below 19,300. If it breaks this level, there could be a 2-week decrease. We might see a slight drop to about 18,800, which is a key weekly support. Equity mid-cap segment. Nifty mid-cap this week. Last week, we noted strong buying sentiment in the mid-cap segment. This week, mid-cap stocks delivered a remarkable 2.83% return, surged by 306 points. Nifty mid-cap outlook next week. When the mid-cap keeps closing higher than the previous week's low consistently, it indicates a strong buying activity. It might be a good idea to keep an eye on the mid-cap sector as long as the closing price remains above the previous week's low. Let's look at the equity small cap segment. Nifty small cap this week. Small cap stocks provided a solid return of plus 2.36% this week. Just like last week, both mid cap and small cap stocks showed a joint rally. Nifty small cap outlook next week. Small cap stocks concluded this week with a significant and large candle, suggesting that there is a possibility for the index to reach the range of 5,600 to 5,750 in the coming weeks. Let's look at the Rupee Rakshak baskets this week under the market cap segment. The best mid-cap stocks performed 7.2%. The silver ETF basket did plus 2.04%, and in the third place, best multi-cap stocks is at plus 1.7%. Let's look at the Indian equity sector performance. The top 3 sectors this week are the Nifty Metal with plus 1.89%. Second place is at Nifty Media plus 1.83% and Nifty Private Banks at plus 1.81%. Let's look at the bottom 3 sectors in the Indian equity. The pharma is at minus 1.08%, energy sector at minus 0.36%, and in the third place, PSU banks at plus 0.15%. Let's look at the Rupee Rakshak basket sector-wise performance. The top 3 sector baskets this week are the best private bank stocks at plus 3.22%. In the second place, best of media stocks at plus 2.83% and best PSU bank stocks at plus 2.8%. The bottom performing 3 sectors baskets this week are the best pharma stocks minus 0.51%, best FMCG stocks at minus 0.28% and best technology stocks at plus 0.07%. The top 3 thematic baskets are the best India defense at plus 3.37%, Mahindra Group stocks at plus 2.35%, Birla Group stocks basket at plus 2.28%. The bottom 3 baskets amongst the thematic indices, the best energy stocks with minus 1.19%, best public sector stocks at minus 0.7% and best infrastructure stocks at minus 0.05%.
So that was the updates on the equity markets this week. Thank you for watching this week's episode. Please keep coming back every Friday at the same time.